Thank God for the gift of life. Thank God. Also then Sophie Diggim. Now I'm so digging. Good evening, good evening, good evening. And welcome to NQTV. Minimum someone for me. Now miss my film. Yay! How many weeks need 2 weeks? NQTV and my life. Unim ni aye busy kakra. And the uba misra will share. Now we need baby soon kind of fire. Oja, ya baby, catch the wooden visa nana kwame NQTV. We are back live. Unim this week and your fire. Midin di nana kwame. Michechi amadofo. Minim soma femi misuma femo. Munim ende ye babe train komo. Oba share no biso ensanka. Minya be Muslim bas. Baby, I will be a slave. I salute you. Good evening. Unia be ma miya mini. Na kwame. Ma feel there. I don't know. Miya mini I be kai the way elbow me heat. Elbow me jack. Na. You have to come. Yo. Maba. Yo. Ene. Me say ene sampaye bejwa. Se siye Ghana. Ye new Emeka se Osofu fufura yenya wo ye kro Ghana eye agrada na ye be twetwe nkomo ye ba beka nsem ewu hia nsem e beboa yankasa ya brebo NQTV ye besua ade ye nyina wo se yetumi sua ade na ye ba besua no e beboa yankasa na nyeme bi koso wo ye kro Ghana mu a se yanka ye ni obi a nipa de beka akwaye se ye dream pempensuo bi wo ye kro Ghana mu a if obi edi boni ana obi ye bibi na nsem fata no pese odi ne hu kwobo adua ana odi ne hu kosia the only option for that person is to run to Christianity and now run to religion. Na mi bisa say, what are we doing to ourselves? What are we as Ghanaians? What are we doing to ourselves? Listen, you may be cause one. Say yanhwe na yanka. You say my friend is saying, you say adie no baby edano. So one fan toa eyi etofo na Ghana ye hwe na niema ekobone mesra wo ba mesra anidie mu share na wo nipa bi so nsanka minum se 2 weeks ni a NQTV yamba live mafime meso mafimo papa but before ye be sha ase no na ye tie nwum bi from Miami nua be Muslim mesra mo moma ye nkotie nwum na ye ba ye wo videos ye won komo ye won sam insam emu ehwam ye won sam emu edu ye mbisa ye ho se ade no ye de ato bebie wo se ye de to ana ade no ya ye hwe han na ade no yie fi bebie da no na ahwefo na yeah, sometimes I ask myself questions say what is really wrong with us as Ghanaians? What is really wrong with us? Because sometimes you ask yourself questions like, is it really say, are we sick as a nation? Sebi menusus manu esisumuniasu. Are we sick? Or is it to say we know the right thing and we are just refusing to do the right thing? Because things are just going bad and bad and bad and bad. And everyone is just sitting and just watching. And most of the time, the problem now be say, yet you hold in the year train. Then we are hoping as people, moja wo ye mu, nyansa wo ye trim. Then we are hoping say, nyankopon be suma abofu bi afi baby. No more ba be solve ye mess na we are creating day in day out, no. Once we are creating mess, we are making a mockery of our own self. You know? Then we are expecting God to send angels to come and solve your problem for us. Mesi oba, mesrawe ni diem. Share, na wunye bisun sanka. Nene sampaya ebeja. Sankanwa ebeka obi. Yesi, contractor ni itwa kwaino. Anka wo dan no nti wo ka kire contractor ne se ekwan no etene bansanka kwan na o twa no efa wasasim ana eka wo dan kakra nka obeka se kwan we die contractor no eka ne kakra menua no mesra mu muma yenkotie nwum we ne ye ba die wo ho no ye de beto aso na kai hunu se wo hwe NQTV. Who host for tonight, your friend Nana Kwame. Me koya maba. Ma baby omo maba fire.
Margarita, tata, bonita, tata, chocolita, tata, bonita, tata. Sabe wani bibu wana no sisi wodo. Majuwa, Margarita, Ali.
Masheri ta ta ta, Yokoli ta ta ta. Miaminia Bema Kim Priki Abuaji. I salute you, baby. Bia wobinia. Minimusawa feme, Missuma fewo pa. Onzo ni abema ya ye sweet to say vivino. Ye nyamin shiro dinado. Miso wo ba she no biso sanka. Ene ampaya ibeja. She ye ba besunya de. Agrada se see you open the latest prophet and now make us say valid dear omuka ne brofo no kwa omuka ne say the new one ewe ye kro Ghana mu ya agrada. Ghana se minsro meka say we are sick. Hwe ye yari e was one ye titi nunum na ye titi inhaban in kakra minua slave mi hu king mi hu I salute you. Prophet Dana Aaron, me who I salute you, Mr. Ubashe. Here, Mrs. Minsro Meka si ye yari. We are sick people. We are sick. We need more than deliverance. We need more than healing. Ye yari. Here, I'm telling me better na ha. Ena kasua ye koko twa akwala biti. Ewo kasua. Na nkwala ekotwa eti no na omu se omu di ti no ekwa jisika edru ye betena ha na ye kan wasem ena mani bra bre no hwe we need to speak truth to power. I've been saying this every time. Hwe no in favor of anybody, no in favor of any political party, but speak truth. Let's make God greater and make Satan less. Let's be honest to ourselves as people for once. Because ye de nyema ya grow ama nyema ekobone. Ye te hanon nkwala koku nkrofo nkwala wo kasua. Instead of us in penyimfo ewo kromu no to do something about it, to put a stamp on it, say the ebesia ya Sadia no ensi ye kuro Ghana mu biomu no. What did we do? Ye somu aha, esomu aha, etwi ha kopim ha, etwi ha kopim ha. Die ye ya ne se, ena agrada, ene mami ngegedi ntokwa somu. Ena ye fa akwala na yakotwa niti no. When we supposed to talk about it as a nation, as a country, to put things that has been put wrong in the right place, you know, na ye kukuru ya ni ya tochene ye. Akwala na samno ya ambosu bio. What did we do? When and I yet one yeshe. Yeshe sad ye hu ya ne se. O ya nua bema obofo reverend obofo na agrada omuso ati de aginam na ye papa owusu bempa so edi yesi ye de onusu ni din fraframu ebi e was some way ni ye de fraframu ni ye de ba, and we sit down and we are joking and we are just watching the comedy, the concert party as a nation as we are. Na yehwe na ye nunu ye hu ane ya ye ti woni yesre na ekosu saa ana akwala na ye kotwa ni ti wo kasoa no na asem no akoda asem no akoda o ana reverend obofo ye nua bema ana ye maami agrada no omude ntokwa di gina mu wo social media ye na we atimi we akame na ye we ehu yesuban no na we atimi kakra na we akame kakra na we atimi kakra na we akame kakra ena bebe de di se ye maami agrada ontua ne tax na ban kochi no. I thought to say it was the opportunity for a country like Ghana. Because before then, Mubekaya, and Sana Grada Samunu Babe Bano, Nia Kochi Nia Ba, Equiapim Polo, or Niba, or born homebody numni baby. Yakopem Quindia Chin, Adinaqua Quatum, Yadinaqua Quatum, or say me whom I salute you, Kwame me whom, Miss Robashe, no Bison Sanka. Slim, I salute you wherever you are. King, me whom. Anna, yachi. Yenua ba yi ko shemu. Ana yede na ha yeso akakra, yaso akakra, yaso akakra. Ana ya celebrities no ye ba ye na ebi no se ye ntro petition, ni emfa nkoma ye papa, Excellency Nanado. Na hey ye dimu hey sa na ye yi we omo friend say ye yi akuapim polo ni ye di ni pie ye di akuapim polo ba ye no na omo si oh akuapim polo ba ye no ni honum no space bi abeda ho nti wan ni emfa no nkosha ho na omo twa mu amu say no e wase ye di agrada akọ ni ye kwachi agrada na ye wo ni tikọ ni ye di nko share ho na agrada akọ share akuapim polo space na akuapim polo eja no ye di agrada akọ share ho ye di agrada akọ share wan na ya Ghana fo no won ye concert party no ye ba ye ni hey na we atinwe na we akawe na we akawe na we atinwe ana ye ko yi agrada so bai akuapim polo bai mo kai obeye bibi obeye press conference ye twinko ba ye no minua slim some more fire slim ende wa so do ja ana ye koko yi agrada ya mami agrada ba ye no so be ye obeye press conference wow sami twimodwe CBB so akwala na ye koku no wo kaswa no na sem no ye jaika. That is the type of people we are. Enya ye minister biba, nenya ye osofu biba, nenya ye ni petitiri biba, ni ye kotwa ni ti no nti saa asem no ye dia hangi ho ye nka ho asem bio ena ya tutu ye ho left right center left right ni ye dia koha ni ye dia baba besia ni atwe afi ha kakra ni ye dia koha, and we were making a mockery of ourselves in Facebook. What do we do as a nation? I'm speaking truth to power, not in favor of anybody. As some women can, some way so. No be a mekase miya kampi ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. No, I voted for MPP. But listen, what is wrong is wrong. What is wrong is wrong, and we need to speak the truth. Because we are becoming a mockery of a country. We are becoming comedians. Sebi, we are joking. And things are getting worse and worse and worse and worse. On ye bana ye kotwa ni bana ye koku ni bano say ye de kojisika edro. What has happened? Ancho ina akwala bi suko peja petro ediko gu ni nyonko akwala mu echi no dwrebi ye nka ho asemo ni ye de ono so ya pe baby ni ye de atwiri. That is Ghana for you. Ghana, your life, ye subayano no. Ye wia, then we go blaming God. Then we go blaming Satan. Then we go blaming other people, other things. Whilst we are the cause of the problem. Nobody, I'm telling you. If you want truth, you will listen to NQTV and you will share. Because I will only tell you the truth, nothing else. Not in favor of anybody. His Excellency, I respect you wherever you are. Ye boo. As ye papa na ye we trust you until ye do what you. But the truth must be said. Things are not right. Things are wrong. And things need to be fixed. Because listen, I'm giving you a prophecy today. I'm giving you a prophecy. Obi o wopen diantro prophecy we infanto. In the next 14 years, Ghana ye nyensuo numu baby ada. I'm telling you, it's a prophecy. Missy Trotuo. I am me yourself, but I'm giving you prophecy. Missy 14 years from now, Trotuo, Ghana, yen suo num market anywhere. Trofatu a prophecy, and it will come. We are jokers, and we need to rise up. Especially me, Mami Efia Mihu, I salute you, Mami. Mihun, I salute you. Me that was say. Gabriela said Mihun, I salute you. Me that was say. So we can share. No, bisunkaha. We speaking truth to power, not in favor of anybody. I'm telling you. Share. Ena yetina ho. Akwalana yakokunu no ye jaina semunu mu. Ena yeti ho. Na grad asu be press conference. Ye latest prophet in town. Obeka chere say, Odemu no ene Nyankopon ebeyi ne ho kire no obo mpaye na nyame beyi ne ho kire ta ma nyame beyi ne ho kire na unjina ho na minjina ho ntimi ntumi ndawto ho no na nyame beyi ne ho kire no na nyame fa no moma yensu ade kakra yenko Bible nim mesra mo say ye mistake bi obi betumi acorrect ye Zacchaeus no a tax collector no jijin grofo sika te said we agrada a jijin grofo sika no tell my Jesus a friend Zacchaeus no dia asem no ka kire no Obapa mi hu I salute you Mr. Frank Osofo mi hu I salute you Kwaku entry mi hu I salute you mi ami nua bema from another mother me da wase so ma dear asem be so listen, the world is going on a rotation. Whatever that has happened 100, 200 years ago is happening again. We don't have a problem. There is no problem with it. I don't doubt it and I don't challenge it. But when we go back into the Bible, there are seven that Jesus catches Zacchaeus. Me be so, Mr. Me person ko bi churo mami. Okay, Osofo say, no, Nana, 14 years is too long. It won't be more than 5 years. 14 years, you know. Osofo, dear men. Into the maker, dear maker. Me see anybody who can log off, can doubt me. It will happen. I'm telling you. Me say 14 years from now, Ghana, yen suo numu biomu da market. Minim ni maker. Minim ni mehu. Don't doubt my dream. It's very dangerous. Minim ni maker. Ghana ye diagro. Oba share no bisun sanka. The ahaye kano kwaru. We are speaking truth to power. No in favor of anybody. And I'm sense sudria. I campaigned and I voted for Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Inti mo biadrin yan say me ye campaign ma His Excellency John Dramani. Even in me yamana my choice. Nobody can tell me what to do. My choice. But we need to speak truth to power because Niama ko boni. Kama men kanchira mo ade me fifie be fin penyimfo fia ye training me. Efie to me wo fie dim. So we talk on authority. Agree to me she bosom da. I'm telling you. On to me she ne bosom da. It will never happen. I'm telling you the truth. Unim ni obeshi ye. Uko art center. One art center. One sa comedy for concert art no ta Modiabana yaton art center no. Onu na ye be she ne de kire ye. Eya de bia me kase won ye problem a ye won say ye feel say bunsam no or ya kwala bia ya bo ne pampas na feeding bottle echia na no until we can just joke with him anytime we want and just ye de ne beto no fo ano na ya me who said ya meka na anything we want. That is what we think. We are joking. You know what you are playing with? You are playing with fire. She nyankopon boss ro boss as o ma ye warning. She nyamani bebra warning wo mo e Bible no or the source or say thou shall not or the source e wo not and tempted because your papa osuru to me nyina no nim warning or the ma ye nipa da said Ghana yenti ye yentie. Everything in your joke, my everything your comedy, everything your concert, everything your grow. We think we make a mess, then God will send angels to come and fix our mess. That are the type of people we are. The world doesn't work that way. So only when it was a here now steady, China for take you over Ghana. China for omuji you grow Ghana fiensem. Tete kwashin koko no kwa fi Fernando Po di baye no ena ya tene ho ama China fo aba ye krom abefa ye cocoa e de ko China dua cocoa wo China. Very soon no world will accept Ghana cocoa anymore. Cocoa no say ye be wieo, say ye de be sell, say die ne ye de be yo emre ne ba yanka say ye be kire yanka say ye ho. Uvio say Chinese fo omu no cocoa nyankopon de dumu omu nka Chinese fo de cocoa ni be maye ama ye ya bedua se se bayire kura ye dua wo ye krom no Chinese fo asati dua bayire e wo China. And very soon Ghana bayire wo de ye bibia enye ye bio because ye soya no in Ghana no China fo na asati say no e ye ni da ho omu say no de amaye because you're done in crophobia. All we think about is money. Oh, yankoton yasasi way, ni emfanko jiska, yankoton way, ni emfanko jiska, yanchichi nipa way, ni yankoton mo, ni emfanjiska. Che ya tonwa bedroom pempensuo say. Emema, omweja padia nyankupo di chomo. Ya starte ton e bibifuo. Nancy no long ago, and a China. Ye chi container and meme japadie. E ye mema ye japadie ya nyankupon di ache ye chi ye container ma e wo China. Na ube biso omu se sa container mano ye di yeden ana ye di ko yeden ana ye di ko China hoko peden. That is where we've gotten to now. Because all we think about is money in our pocket. Nothing else. Money. So when you have money, you rule. You have some people who follow you. You buy them. You become the king. Then you rule everybody. Obian to me kawasem. Oh ba no police motorcade. Na diwenim. Obian to me ta kill. If you obi yes or become wasempe ni akachira o say udim say the besia ya obi ntumi kan wasem no the strategy ni say journey to religion dan hu osofo u journey to religion now dan hu osofo pe asem no ewu na mi bi so mpanyimfo mu na mako school mako university maba abrochira bebo masters abode ekeka mi bi sam asem baako enkrofo na grade agi omusika no de na mo ye omu. Ye ni problem say agrada abeda no osofu bankrofo ni sika ne ye nde. I believe we say nka agrada abeye press conference na ni die mu to ye maame nka obetumi aka kire ye say oh obi bia mbra me ho Monday mu amaji musika no me pese se mi ntie ni nyina kra me tie bi. I think sanka that will be the right way because when Yankopon bisa Zacchaeus so mbra me di na chi no or my similarities of the same as some American was me. Say, or more what did you musika, or more what bo more poor bibiano for musika come na bedi mechi. Zacchaeus shown to me because oh here, adia ya dingo we see you here. Say tuwa da. Inti dia no ye or share on to me. Inti say ye mami hu nyankopon na ye de radiasi. Say ye mami hu nyankopon. Ba ye sra no nko betumi edi nkrofo ni sika momu a kebeboa ye nyina. Ba me ka asem bi. Ebia mwadwen ko bibi so na no wusu mi hu. I salute you mi hu pa. Nana yaw mi hu. Or say I am glad to see a celebrity like you talking about Ghana issue. God bless you. Keep up. Greeting from Canada. I salute you too. Miss Chia Canada for you my famo. Baby this year ye nyame pa ye besaba. Meaning say Canada used to be my second home. Unim. Let's speak truth to power, Ghana. Let's speak truth to power. Because ye nyama akoboni. I'm telling you, things are getting out of hand. And if we don't talk about it, and some of us claim we are celebrities, or be baba be kamasem, intimi mpesa mekra, and maybe I will party way, mi ya lala, intimidia minka, kobo ni kwa, me say, koba baba, kai hunu so ofie we kire obi fie di ofie enim e be ba be come. Let's speak truth to power. Ena yeti ho na agrada agigi nkrofo sika nkrofo ni sika no press conference aye be ye de ekoba ye no ye nka ho asemu sesi akoye se oh sika gari no na ye gyan ho asem kan but me bi sam asem before ye maami eba be dane osofo no ato sorry si wodada o de nkrofo ni sika no de kwato asori no edi si ho na wato asori edi si ho dada. Listen, Ghana, what are we doing to ourselves as people? Adena ye gunya mi ni mo ase ye mpese ye beka no kware a kire ye hu. Why? Sometimes I wonder if we are truly a Christian nation. I wonder. No long ago, muma menchira mwade. No long ago, ena ye maami agrada. And let me see. Me ye wonye mamamu me ba. Me pamucho me back akra 1 minute. Okay, ude before I met okay, me no long ago, the na ekoso wo Ghana ni. Ene me se share no bi so sanka. The ba no de didi e kire ba no emu edu. Yen hwa ade we ye besua bibi.
Abana na gada hoyi. So a hotel me henti name am so
for them person na mo yema as my tone kana I want training here na kuna me show TV you say we are normal be sika gale ni bi entam den na sika bra I want try to come papa you dey me to kwankwa
amana yire kura sebi obey empanani kura hwe obey emfa be mai enye hwe no ano se wodi atinye pa na mum watena nanka se afi etwa mu no na madaroma wo mo edom no sika gari ama ho adansi dia ba nti oba na agrada wo se akra kura no wode brana na ejina so sika gari bi ede ama no nti ya santo ababio obofa da defa ama abranche no ezrin papa esanse wonsusu ni saa na ohunu se sika kuma bi ode ba ne de kebia na akabi bi kakra bi so lei silver na no edibesi ho no meka sai bi mu ayema abranche no wono so bag ode ba yi no so ezisa gumu a brinu obi attention 20 ni na no kasa na de ko no de akobo ne bra adiko de bi o temenka lei kagare bo so no ade a gusu a ebi juma atizafi de empodie na no matum atizo ba sika ye de ma no enye sika kuma ne ka sei na na gada nam so na nanom enam na gada so mo ahye krati o so ba so
mu mi fa ye hwe na se nya dokumenti na nam da wase 10 million di buy what is coming here. Hey, Musmanya mesum ni di o manya me di.
Banti wono so ensaka sika gari. Ka say dia. Na na bag na wo mo asakwan ya je se ofido.
Na gada ho. Na gada ho. Sika gari ute na tu.
Abana na gada ho yi. So a hotel ni henti. Ne nam so
for them person na mo yema. As my tone kana. I want training here na kuna. Me show TV you say we are normal be sika gale ni bi entam den na sika bra I want try to come papa you dey me to kwankwa
amana yire kura sebi obey empanani kura hwe obey emfa be mai enye hwe no ano se wodi atinye pa na mum watena nanka se afi etwa mu no na madaroma wo mo edom no sika gari ama ho adansi dia ba nti oba na agrada wo se akra kura no wode brana na ejina so sika gari bi ede ama no nti ya santo ababio obofa da defa ama abranche no ho adwene no papa esan se wonsusu ni saa na ohunu se sika kuma bi ode ba ne de kebia na akabi bi kakra bi so nei silver na no edibesi ho no make say bi mu ayema abranche no wono so bag ode ba yi so esese gumu a brinu obi a 10 20 ni na wankasa na de ko no de akobo ne bra adiko de juma wotemenka nei kagare de somono ade a gusu a edi juma ajiza feed empo de na no matum ajiza oba sika ye de ma no enye sika kuma
miniano misrabo oba she no bi enso sanka na kai say uhwe NQTV. We are speaking truth to power. That is your motto. One video now we share. May come was some kakra di achiro. Aye editing. Aye agrada na nkasa ne ho nkrofo. Na wa form na ye de camera is your so. Na ye twa na ye edit. Na ye di sika no egu ade mu. Ni sika gari no aba. Any problem with sika gari no aba. Okay. And crofo no mo de na ma no agrada ye paucho eni die mu ye de Ghana man nyina serew for mo nse enko mo sika. Ye mame mo nsa nko mo sika because omo de no ama. We de ne ba ye ya de atum aba. Omo de ama no ye ma omo nsa nka omo sika. Nana Wusu said 10 wonders of the world. Agrada graduate from Okomfo to Evangelica in 2 days. Yes, and you're so surprised. That tell you, say, we are a comedians of a country. We are jokes. This will never happen anywhere apart from Ghana. I'm telling you. And need DMO. And need DMO. Me kira. Se Ghana ye di nyema di agro hwe ye nananom eku omo hu di omo moja di asase kase e ti sei e di maye sa moja ni nyina no ya tu egu mi bi sa asamo yewra otikokko so mi bo udi am sorry ni maami wu ye no ka se yewra ka se obi anda wasanti memu no Aden na sofu nyina obi adaye. Me kan se me di cha me say agrada ntumi nche ne bosom da. Hwa me fifie minim ne make. It will never happen. A joke. Wow, ye hu ye say ye jokes. Inti every time no ye the comedy ni concert party ni ye di admire na ye agi atum because who ko kan ubenyo bi beba no abebo nyamedin wom. Oh nyankopon nti ye ntwa so. Oh, nyame na say because ye ni nyankopon telephone no mo obi friend na bisa ne say ye wura papa ampa ebi ni ho nti obi asori anu waka ne say de ope no okọ no wakọ hide behind Christianity agrada aka say wadani osofu no ye ni problem ba agrada aka kire say wadani konfuo biom ananka wadani Muslim nka Ghana ye wo issue with it. We have used Christianity to help us, you know. We've rather used Christianity to damage us as people. Instead of we using Christianity to help, you know, we've rather use it to kill ourselves as people. There is something wrong with us. Because I only fear God, not human being. I will speak truth to power. Let's speak truth to power, Ghana. Because we are heading towards the danger zone. As a country. Because Obi obedi ponibia ye so smart to know say min dwane na min kwahye Christianity achi ohoye ntumi fa ye nsam bekame because enyaya ye beka se nyankopon ne kan ye nyankopon so obie ni telephone number ni akofre na ko bisa ne se yampa se papa wo na waka na ye nibi nti obie ntumi nka no wakote ho agrada tumi asese in 2 days afa nyankopon me see everything was calculated plan. William, mihu, I salute you. Kwame, mihu, Mr. Oba share no bisun sanka. Also nana Kwame, your music is perfect and powerful song. Midawasi, nyankopon shira Kwame. She, wakwa, Kwame said, hey, Ghana pa. Yes, Ghana pa. She, wako dodgy behind Christianity. No, di boni. Wadane, nkrofoni sikano, ashe. Upianka wasam, because ukana ukokan wasam se ya. Asofwa kesiye wagana will come after you. Some Christians will come after you. People will tell you, say, yenyame na friend inti yenjaino. Yati, yadamwase. Misi emreba, if nipa no oni kama fuonu, onu abedane no ho kama fuo, the only lawyer papa no, onu abedane no ho lawyer. That time is coming. It's not far from us. Yankoso and believe. Yankoso and keep mocking and mockery of ourselves and keep going. Me say, we are not far away from that. Rwanda is not far from us. So Ukai Hotel Rwanda. Obibia on shares our movie no Uncle Hotel Rwanda. We are not far from that, I'm telling you. And your prophecy na minimum. In Crafoni Sikani Yane Den. Me bisami mami agrada. I'll say, Elise said, you are right. You are right, bro. True talk. No, we need to speak truth to power. Not in favor of anybody. Me said, busum no mushe no accenta. Accenta busum ina yeshe no. Busum so wo fifie na wo ne mpanyimfo ko mpanyimfo wa ye kire wo mpanyinsam sa busum fa obi na nipa ko no bedane akomfo a nipa no ye wonyema bi a omeni egu ne mu ema onu so bedane busum because 2 mini bana 2 mini rani mu a se saade ni mu a ontumi njina. So when who be a all come and now when who be a busum abe reni mua ubeti the American nasi e be a won be into won te the American nasi but me chira wade NQTV ye bie wani nation me si won to me njina ho won to me so ano inti sagrada say wasesa yeda ye mami ase ba busum na 1 minute dia to ne mu no omo wahi wasi etumi yi omo hwe minim okonfo a no fa nyankopon fa Jesus Christ na ye pese na data no wa ye rasta ni ye pese ye twitwa ne rasta ni gu ye the scissors hwe scissors no mo de more than 20 ni tinwi no so the scissors ni so mo ebubugu. I'm speaking truth to you. So when the scissors no so ni tinwi ni mo a so omo pompa ye ede omo froda water ni holy dia ngusu na ye kemi ase na ebubu egu. What are you talking about power? Not the mu ye no. The mu ye ni the mu di agro. Ghana for ye nka no kware nkyere ye hu. Na ye ku ye hu. We are destroying our country Ghana. Inti agrada 2 days na agrada hu nyankopon no sesaye. Ina nyankopon fa na mfa baabia. Ina nyankopon kan kire ne se onko nonko solve nkrofo ni problem. Ebinom wo ho a stroke atechi omo, ebinom anya heart attack, nyama bebre. What about those people? What are we doing to them, Ghana? You won't pay him for where you crow Ghana. Omudu omasam ni enka. Akwalana yekota ni tino. Yekoku no na nkwalana so omudu kwaji aduro no. Sa nkrofo no omuso asam ni ye ka ne sei. Ye jai kan because ni papa ye hie ni ba enye minister bi de yekun no ne ba ne yekun no nti ono even minister MPP minister kra yekwo ne second kra besi ene ye hu the way aye kan dia besi then ye wia na nyankopon ina nyankopi beye ina jai na nyame ina nyankopon we become a mockery of our own self, and the Western world are watching and they are laughing. What is wrong with us as people? Where are we going as a country? Why? Yes, so we more. Yo. Ye won sibre. Sesi no ya to nyema na ase edi we akosi ha ama wesu afia de akosi ha edi we akosi ha ama sesi no akwala na ye kunu wo kaso na sam no ya ye foolish case. Ama omu akonfo no omu tie TV so ye fasika beji sika omu ni nam Facebook ni ehon keka ho ye nyema ensem pata no ye ja omu no omu ye de omu ye chaso because esi no ye maame agrada na ye nyina ye tu ye ni de esi ni so no na ye kana semte sika gari nyo ama ye nua ba mami ngege kinsin pipramu old burger ni nyema tu omu ho si ho eku akodin no ene yaka omu nyina anu atum because ye maame afanyame ye ntwaso ye nko forward. Unam Ghana says here wunye safe. So unam Ghana, you are not a safe person. Me ye video bi achiro, yanko hwade. Ye ba, ye beke muasem.
Na when you free move, you say we find you know. Na when you free move, can you say here today you know? Oh, I can't pay that. When 1 minute break, I bet you make a talk. What is the party? On for a crown. I'm catch yourself. One can cry. A man in our assassin and the Miam Bumaka report and pay for a cock and Yamaka.
Minuanom me say that na me de term na me yi kakra de kire mu be kire mu bibi one video am hwe yi abrantie na am hwe no onu ankasa ne ba ni yemu ba ye nyinse ni 9 months na we twa ni ti na we twa ni 9 o se o de koji sika edru so wa hu ni ekoso inti sa kwala na yekunu wo kaswa na ye jai ho asam kanu worst one ekoso because esi no ye ni aye yadwen afisu to put a stop to this nonsense no ye ni afisu na ye de ni akoto o agrada hu nyankopon nyame abeyi ni hu kire ni wo prison because nyame beyi ni hu kire na hu ngina na mingina nti se nokware na oka minim se wusu nokware na oka wusu wunim ya fa ne trara sa waku onu ani yemu bawo si o de koji schedule. This is what is going on in our country Ghana. Worst ones are going on. Misra mo ma yenkohwe video no na ti ase mi sheda na manka ho asem nansenya na nkwala akokun obi ti omu de logistic aduro ye hu ne sibre malamfo da so ti TV so se fasika beji sika fa moja beji dien fa dien na yen kan ho hwe papa o se no ho chire no nti ono ane ba ne yemu ba nti imagine say sanka nyame amwa na nka wowo ba ana obi ba na ne nsa kan na nka ontwa nipa ko ne ba ne tisa emfa nkoji schedule me bi so Umaye nkwohwe video no. Me say we need to learn something. We need to speak truth to power. We need to rise up. Na opportunity ne bana was ye make a change. Ni allow opportunity to just go. Says here no the opportunity to close most of these fake malams from our TV stations, radio stations and yamano and fake pastors we have allowed it to go. Because okonfu agrada nyankopon afre no obi no waku onu aneba so de kwakwa koji schedule. Where are we going as a country? Misro yankohwe video no yensambra.
One can cry, a man in our assassin, and the mere Bomaka report, and pay for Nanka and
Obukan say adum say hard truth. Ye papa osofo Nana Aaron also Lord have mercy. Ye hear the mercy of God. Ghana, we need it. Me were even worse videos. I want me phone iso. Me were worse video from Enne or China Sunday, Monday. Nyama ye beji wo ahadi atramuno. Uye mbesheshe. Ube unse, say I'm sorry as a country. Especially I'm charging the youth on the street. Rise up. If you are sorry, me see the air banu. Because obia wawu onu ani yemu ba. Wetumi achi onu ani yemu be trinity so the kojiska draw. Ye hu a enam ina still no malamfo fake pastors ni nyema atiti TV so. Omoda so tete so. And we have allowed it because they've run to go and hide behind religion. And nobody want to talk about it. I will talk about it. I'm not scared of nobody. I am only scared of God. We are speaking truth to power, not in favor of anybody. Mrs. Nyamena Kasana bebo me hobai. We are whining slow. I fear only God. I'm telling you. Sister who's slow now brown once the manner of money muso. I know the Ojina Mechino or Susan the Ojina Menim. I'm not scared of nobody. I'm only scared of God. That is why I am fighting. I am fighting for the truth. What are we doing to ourselves? Me say, where's one? Where ye de yachino? Inti sanka ya anchina. imagine omu a yenchi omu so omu de ye kan say yeti ho ina asofu bi beka kire ye say omu ni omu kunipa enum nipa moja eti Ghana for yenka ho asam yenka ho hwe na yaye din because wo maso pe obi be ka chiro so jai nyame ena nyame be ye o na nyame na be ka hwe nyankopon onka na ende onka na ochina onka ni next week onka ni 3 weeks. We need to speak truth to power. We need to make the change. The change is in our hands. Osi oba kwasia kwa abua ntatia ho kosia na kwan. We have lost the road as a nation. We have lost as a country. We are going on the wrong direction. Titimremuno abrofunu ba be take ye slaves. E take ye abrofunu ba ye no. Eye yankasa na ye ton ye homa omu. Let's speak truth. Ekia minua ba mi hu pa. Kwabra danso mi hu. I say thank you for speaking truth. Media mechanical uni me. Danso ni me. She yankasa na yeti ye hu slaves. Eton ye hu de ma abrofo no. Ye tem rofo no. Because ye nim say when in my friend no more ban kwala na eba no be find out to say this is what we did on the war time. People will not forgive us. Quickly we turn to the white people. Ye said that ni ye be ka kire ye hu etro ye history. E na abrofo no ba ye no mo de Bible ba ye no mo de Bible no be da ye no mo fa away. We have been that from 100 years or whatever 60 years to now. We are always making mistake and running quickly to go and hide behind something to cover us up. It is a no China for no sorry ya no mubefa ye kuro no, or we are selling our own country to the Chinese people. From Rollins, see from now you fighting there Papa Kufuor baye or buy your first thing quickly. No far Ghana, quick, no the come China for. No sa China kwai no bie ye. Atamils ye papa. May he so rest in peace. Eba ye no so di China for na chi na China. Ana ye papa. Well, my friend is saying, John Dramani Mahama, China. And then drew your papa, His Excellency Nanado, Dankwa Kufuado. Da, yes, now, ye China ho. Biso mu say, which country na China for abuo mu wo wiasimuha? Tell me one, and I will log off. One country, mention one country. China for to me the papa bidia momu, and I'm telling you I will log off. Tell me one. Chinese think of their self and their self alone. They don't care about nobody. Congo, Kochadi omudi ya Congo for wo. Chinese for Congo for monkeys. Sana Chinese for Congo for. Very soon, they will start telling us we are monkeys. They will start telling us we are animals. Very soon, I'm telling you, Mr. Market somewhere. Because the Chinese people have become powerful in Ghana. Presently, Aminu Ukasa report about out to Chinese. There was 700,000 Chinese people in Ghana. Omo yede. First, Mekai, unama uhu apotro. Bip oman vini nyina fi yekuro nim sesi omon wi mwane nyina no anso omon start wi abibifuo mema a mema ne ye bema no bema na nyankopon ni ba no Chinese fo ato omu ani asiso wi ono so very soon o me start awi yeti awi yensa awi yanu Are we a two your baby or Mary? What are we doing to ourselves as people? We are destroying our own self for greed. Yen penyin for soria omuma yesika so a no mo de ko Dubai e no ma to Dubai dan ni nyina ma Dubai dan na sa nti sese baby omodi omani a kire eye Rwanda na wo feel say Rwanda wa anye ni kuro yi a nka wo be ko ho akoto ho nyema aba ukuru nka wo be ko akoto dan wo ho. Why can't we build our own? Na brofo no so mra meto na Rwanda fo so mra meto. Why can't we do it? Na yeti ho, not 2 days. We call ourselves a Christian nation. 2 days. Agrada asisa badani osofu. What about those people na yaji o musika no? Onfa nkrofo ni sika nkomo mo. Den ye nim sampa wasakra. Not to say obeba ba shi sa woman art center aboduaba no. Not ya chire. And we have media people who have gone to school. Aswa camera akwa jina ho. Twa de away e de chire wiase nyina. Ghana, I pity us. I feel very sad for us. My heart is bleeding. My heart is bleeding for us. We've sold ourselves completely. Yes, sorry, China. And then China for drink cocoa. And no any other cocoa, but Ghana cocoa. And very soon, Ghana will not know what to do with their cocoa. I'm telling you. China first started drink bayire. Very soon, we will never know what to do with your bayire because your assassin, your more kwan, no more say assassin, and your intention to cripple us down, to finish us as a country, to finish us as a nation, and your plan. Because all we think about is money. Yankojiska. Yanton when you mesi akakakra. Wonam Ghana kuroni mina wo kwa. Ye show ni ye show wa betia. Ye beka sa akwa we munkoche ni yankoton. Because ye share na betia ye benya price. Because you started ton ye bema. E de ma China for. No mo wi. Mo de ye chichinga. Until very soon, Miss Woodnam Ghana Kronim. Now one show who ye bet chill. Ni a ton wa ma China for. But maybe sawa asem. Sebi. China for ye say no mu who say ye wo gold wo forest we mu. And ye wo diamond. And ye wo way. Omu ye say no mu who ye. Sometimes we forget something. We sell our own self to them. They don't come running and picking us up. Yana yeton ye hunde mo. Nana mi bisa se, inti ye me mani nye ma, China for, ye chi ni container mano, China for di yede. Me na ma no bi send video bi mame, muma ye kohwe video no, adia ye be mane boye ni mu no, ye me mano, China for, omudi ye no. Na me kasa anwa, ye kohwe ni yemra.
I'm about TV, Agrema fans all over the world. Sengamanga everywhere. See what I show you, see that video. Now people pennies the ball show. My brother, when I come across this online, I think I lie you. They arrest Chinese people work at the container. That container, they see 7,200 pennies. I don't know which people get that pennies. They say now Chinese and Arab, now they are meat now. So they use we African prick. They do pepper soup. Now people pennies the boy show. I'm one imagine that. My brothers all over the world, you know, anywhere you do, watch your back. The Chinese Chinese people are eating black brick. They don't have this is a white brick. So we got to be careful whatever we are doing. Amebo TV say so. Watch your back, watch your back, watch your back. Anywhere you there. Amebo TV say so. Amebo TV, Agrema fans all over the world. Sengamenge everywhere. See what I show you, see that video. Now people pennies the ball show. My brother, when I come across this online, I think I lie you. They arrest Chinese people work at the container. That container, they see 7,200 pennies. I don't know which people get that pennies. They say now Chinese and Arab, now they are meat now. So they use we African prick. They do pepper soup. Now people pennies the boy show. I'm one them. Imagine that. My brothers all over the world.
Afe minuanom so awahu won baby Andrew ya ton ye gold ya ton ye diamond ya ton ye bauxite ya ton ye aluminium ya ton ye bibia anso they say mema no na ya start ye chiwa so wo de ne suna mu adua ne edi kuma ye de atwa ne say wom China for very Omudi pepper soup, omudi ye pepper soup. Ye see a binum kwa de ye kebab. Ube kopa wiye boy. Na so omuti ono omo wia. Uye mbesho. Hey, Africa, where are we going? What kind of people are we? Me pesa me chira mu bibi na meba. Busum, agrada aso wa ni busum. Me chira busum bi. Me chira bibi kitwe bi. On to me shin bosom that me catch it.
La femme. Fire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Yanko. That. Whoa. Ko. Move. Sit me out here. Sit. 1, 2, 3. Sit. Yanko. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Abusiasio. Adum. Anse. Hey. Anya sam ketwa. Adia na anse.
Ariana, Ashe.
Anse.
You don't see you.
Ya de petrol guso anse. Abusia bibi wa bibi ni baby anke danke antupunu. Ya chopet wa de petrol gum. Agu abosom ne so. Ade mo enti satum. Wa kasa enale ana edali dum wa dum. Yes, power to me ye adwuma.
Me pese bibi samu asemba akobi. Can you burn spirit? No. It's not possible. You can never burn a spirit. You can move it. Jesus, come or call ye na abosomno ana bad spirit ni she ni penimunu wan kuomu ba otuwasi. I'm speaking truth to power. When kuomu otu omuasi edi omu koshe diemu edi omu ekokoshe prekomu because one form one koshe prekomu a omu bekwa koshe nipa fufuru mu nti yeti ho na concert party na comedy na yeyede na yasua camera Nkrofo mako journalism school akosua de ankosua efie ni asase ade ankosua nimde ako ama ya toto concert party we e de amaye na yato na nkrofo na okura Bible kese Bible no kese wo mu nyina ye maami kura na ode abodebo nyame abeyi ne ho a kire no wa fa nyankopon nkrofo ni sika no ahye. We are a mockery of a country. Let's rise up for truth. And that is the only way that can change us as people. That is the only direction that we have left. The only thing we have left to protect is what I'm telling you. Debi aya me kan say mi won. Me say yan kwankwohwe ye maame osakra ye no yan kwankwohwe ade ye ba me kire mu bibi na maka bibi. One video na mi ichira mu no. Last me can sembi. Kennedy said, I love your song, Soldier. It's my favorite of all time. Me da wase bra, me da wase pa. Kim Pricky said, greedy and selfish. A spirit can never be bent. Yeah. Osofu na yakata no. Spirit can never be bent. Video where me ye no, unimadi ampesa me chira mu. Adi konti a me ye video we no. When Jew ni Jesus Christ, Bible no ma yeti ase say, oye Jew ni. When Jew ni the great wall e what Israel no, all bompaye no. Uhu de we all bompaye. Wan fan sekan, wan fan kontimma, esan se obunyame, odi nimdia manyame, osuro nyankopon. Onim seche so kasa woni tirimu kura nyankopon nim ni tirimu onim ade o susu woni tirimu. God look to the heart, not what you are saying from your mouth. Inti won say nwa bufuo no obajo ni ni kura ye boni on the great wall. Ni bufu ye ema o jai Bible no koye. One the way we behave. This is how we behave in Africa. This is how we are behaving. And nyame nyankopon ina me catch now ina dey hey baba hey de. Do you want to tell me God is deaf? Our great God, the Lord of all Lord, no na so sisi ana onim uti die wom o se minimu wamra wo hye wo na yem na me no wa pam. You don't need to ask God for anything. He knows you already. You need to remember him of the bond, the bondage. Bossana nyame woma uno nuna wasa ukai no. Everybody ose kai me. Says here tongues ubaye, yeah the tongues are done comedy. Because we are showing to the whole world that we are a comic country. Yeah, you're comedians. When would you need Mr. Jesus or your Juni? When would we a Juni bombay? Or the need or the respect, fear, decency, or the many renyan coupon. And look at the comedians. Look at what they are doing. And I once a Jew in Nibufuye. No fear. Me see very soon. Israel for be catch us or here wo obiom. Very soon, I'm telling you, mark it somewhere. She also fu me be chere mu bibi. She also fu bi. She well, now sometimes you know why I get upset and sometimes I get sad. These things. Slim say, Nana, oh, meaning I salute you. Also, I said, Ghana, when we have nowhere to go, I'm telling you, we have lost. The battle has lost. Unless we start to speak truth and change our mentality, unless we start, and not start tomorrow, not wait on angels to come, they are not going to come. Because Bible no maya tia say nyankopon kura no obeye bibi wo wabrabo mo hia wo permission. Nyame o kra no hwehwe. It's not your body or the body ni kwayede. Body ni yede kwai. Mi wo video wo ha mi yi kire wo nipa body a ye tuo gu abontene ti sa de tantan bia wo yem be hwe wo rebe ho. E wo yekuru Ghana. Aye soul no, that is what is important. Yes, a Christianity na ye preaching no. We are preaching a Christianity where it favor people. You are dressing good. Your people are sorry. Your me wadam fubi. Debia no kwa sorry. Every day na say weja sorry ko na mbisa na ade no weja sorry ko. Ose na na mfa so obi ani so. Na mse ade. Ose listen, baby ye ya sorry wono. Asori no baby ye wono. Ye asori eye aduane. Na ye aduane na ye nyina ye edi no. Na broni na ohwe adan no so no baaye. Na obeti aduane ni bi. Me colleagues ni bi e wa asori no mu bufu say, "O ma asori wo ho." Nta ade na asori aduane oba beti bi edi. That is the type of people we are. I'm telling you, that is what we are. Che minim mox bi wo me ha. Say come deal na woni aduane di na so okwa ho a omuma wo aduane di free omusa so aduane de ma wo sefa kwa okrom. It will never happen in any Ghana church, because we are mockery of a country, we are mockery of a people. I'm speaking truth to power, not in favor of nobody. Yes, sorry, ani yakon doji nyankopon echi ina nyame beye ina nyankopon ina jaime nyame ina nyame. Yet the na our country is sinking. And we are sinking like a boat, a one poswa, air compunasia. We are sinking. Yen pese ye beka no kwari akire ye hu. Enyaye ya no, run quick and go and hide behind Christianity. They will cover you. All of them. Madam Fubi ne kind, or see from educated fools, they will come. They go to school, learn all the courses, learn everything, but Adrina be Madam Fubi asama de bioka. I say, listen, that is why I don't want to go to Ghana again. That is why I bought houses in Europe and things, because they are called educated fools. Asama de bioka chere. O come so, adena ukasa. O say nana, listen, I'm saying it as it is. She kromu hayati queen no ne ba onu ankasa ne ba o se ne nana ade ne hu ko sha asem kese queen no script no off the titles, lawyers, everything protecting a young to me fire and sankano or stripun down or so go and face the law. When you are innocent, you come and pick up back your things. Can we do it in Africa or in Ghana? The answer is no. That is why we are where we are. That is why we have turned ourselves into beggars. And all we believe in is we will go around selling and beg and beg and beg and beg. And abrofono kwa de maya ye hu ne ye de ye. Ntina Donald Trump can send be the chire. Or see a shit hole. We are even more than a shit hole. I'm telling you, we are bigger than a shit hole. Shit hole, no de be ameka, monsieur the chair ye wasanki ye danasi. Because we've shown clear, so we are more than a shit hole. Now look at what Chinese people are doing to us. China ni yan kasa yan penyimfoni bi wo Ghana omo bunu because omo so mama ni sika ochina meji video no di achira. Yekuro Ghana mu, that is where we've gone to. That is the level we've lowered ourselves to. Bunu wo yekuro Ghana mu ya China. Can you go to China and do that there? The answer is no. So why are we allowing it to happen in our country? Assassina, yana nanum se, yarana yassasini, eye abuotindin maye. Moja na nanum shie gu ye edi maye no. Moja ina nanum shie egu assassini so de maye. Edi jifa hundi di maye. Where is that moja? Where is that fahundi mibisa? Where is it? Now we've sold that fahundi to Chinese people. And the Chinese people have the guts to come to our country, Ghana, and beat up our ministers and beat people up in our country, Ghana. Can you do that in China? No. What is wrong with us? Where are we going? Monsieur Ochina meye video amount ewa ha meye video Ochina emo unrefi Chinese ni Ghana ni wo Ghana ena ye Ghana ni onam street is or twice water ye mpenyimfo no mo Ghana no China for na started buyen because one realizes say Jimmy, can you go and do that in China? You bet Choutina is what watching. I'm telling you, go and check. Only in Ghana and in Africa, never happen. Because you're paying for no mudi than beggars. They are like the cripples on the street, always begging, always going to the white man. Tell my white man they meeting no di dinner and no dinner lunch and any breakfast no mu guechira she stewed no mu tiechire trebe patras resika. We are beggars of a country. We are shame people. Once we have gold, we have diamond, we have aluminium, cocoa, everything. We go to these people begging. Sikanu swa yajia yemfa yatri near the Abema slave queens. And the country is sick. Sinking sana yekuro Ghana ne sinking. Kakrano swakano asofo swa sorry. No wakopu nsuo e de agutuam de we esa HIV we esa we aden na asofo na musumo ye powerful no na mu claim say nyankopon kodidi muni ne na ekodo mun to me up to now emfa COVID edro emba nyankopon for no ma. You are shameful people. Up to now, moon to me discover COVID a draw. Sabrofuna to me afa ma kayen to me nyam mada. Sesie no omo transidia realize ya unse HIV dia sesie yen kana se HIV aye small boy bi. Nti sesie no ya sofo nya HIV hu adru. We are shameful people. I'm speaking truth to power. COVID abana no shishi no more than kawunya anu edru muna mu claim o se nyankopon kodidi amudi nachi. Only in Ghana that everyone is wise. We are the wisest people in the whole world. That is why we are fooling our own self. No BTO, if you are a school, a planning degree, no across me HIV. You are sick yourself. No be ako or see me koji sika gari, me koji we, ube kwa koshenu we legon. You are sick. I was sanki a pet webi near do shame near katano, near tutumpu. Mesi a wasi e hwie mojegu biom de ye nana no hwie bu eni so e wasi e hwie more than that gu ni e de transfer ye kro Ghana ye de change asase no because the abubo ban wo ehu. I'm telling you, 14 years trofatu Ghana ye nyansuo no is coming because ya allow China for emo mu say asase no no mu say intentionally. Because Obama said, all we want is money. Say China need China. No crack $10,000. And no crack $20,000. No if China no buy your chroma. He control everything. But we are Ghana need no crack $10,000. And not 20,000. No if Ghana. No the China. The only thing I says can it to me in a factory. Ekoto nyema no kwa ekoto no ekoto second hand nyema anameka say inferior things e dey buy ekuro Ghana. That tells you the difference between them and us as people. I'm speaking truth to you. Ope jai. Not in favor of you. I'm speaking truth to God Almighty. No nipa. What can you do to me, you? That is what Mrs. Okra $20,000 and now $50,000. Now uko China, so uko fanyama. Only thing I utumi di kwaye was ekoto inferior things. And Toshi know the about crew. But China need says cannot see a crew more. In short time he become a billionaire. He control the chiefs, he control everything. He control the police, everything in our country Ghana. That is how weak we are as a people. No ma ba na ye koko, no mu jirigum, na ye bibia no mu say no. O mu say ye kuro no de amaye. Na me se emre bi ba, ye be hu se na abrofo no mu ye ankasa. The white people were very good to us. Because we've sold ourselves. We've sold our soul to the devil. Me say the time is coming. Tell me one country in the world where you can point and say the Chinese people have built it. Show me one. Mr. Congo, Koshe. First Ghana, unam gota mukra, ana diasa, ubetisa aponchireni, omu ye dede, intafreni yema, China for no ba, oman rini na. Sesi ya ansu omu. Omo de see ye ni panaso no mo wi ye ka mo. This is very soon. Mo amukọ jimu na mo say mo nkasa mo mpe adwuma bi nye no. Very soon unam ho ye hu abeti akentika o say no guy we hwe na abeti na me di tu nkwan mu ebe de mo nche de mam ye be ba abechi untumi ye hu. Wo de very soon wo be ka se me ka kire. Na ye baba be chiu si ye chi ekura no ana ye chi aponche no wo ye hwe ye because ye paying for now have sold us. Ghana, when you are rich, you are untouchable. Isaac Isa, I see you, Nana Kwame. I see you too, my brother. Fee, me whom I salute you. I salute you. Kwesi me whom. My friend say, Marco said, me whom I salute you. Me see Emre bi ba. Shurofa to ho. Ghana, ye nsuo num, because we have allowed the Chinese people in our country and they are taking over the country. They are taking it any means possible. They are taking it from us. Unim. Ochina say ye nyankopon pa. Misi meyi video a China ni buye mpenyimfo wo Ghana. That is where we've gotten to now. And ask yourself one question. Can a Ghanaian go to China and do the same thing there? The answer is no. And now Ghana ni betu mi afesike fi Ghana. No akwa China. No akwa to asase. No see oh, me won se gold bi wo baby ntimi kwa to di akwa mikro Ghana mu. Ana bauxite, ana aluminium, ana bibi me turn me to di akwa. Can that happen? No. If that will not happen, we should not allow it to happen in our country, Ghana. We should not, because yen nananum eku omu hu di omu mo jadi asase no, because na asase no sumbu e de ma omu nti na omu kunchi si ho maye. Omu se ye be ye bi atoaso o, de ye atoaso ni. Bison se ntoaso ni se neti ada. Udim. Minianom. Yankwane yenkotie enwum. Na medimu besi ase ye nyankopon kase o hata soro ne pa. Ochina me say don't miss it. NQTV fire. Ochina don't miss it.
Adonai, we call your name, your majesty, there is no one else like you. Adonai, 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 we call your name, your majesty, there is no one else like you. Adonai.
There is no one like you, God. There is no one. There is absolutely nobody like you, my Lord. Because you are the greatest of all, the King of all kings, the Lord of all lords. Ejawuna yesuro nipa. Die nipa moja woni mu yesuro erade. We speaking truth to power. Mi ami nuaba ma osofo nana poku mi hu baby owo bia mi tia good evening. Slim mi hu I salute you. Thank you so much. Unim bibi me say mumbre me say ochina say ye nyankopon pa ye beto aso kai hunu say TV a wo hwe NQ TV. We are simply the best. We are speaking truth to power, not in favor of anybody. Ye campaign mo bia, but ye de be ye hu adru. Said ye be say ye man Ghana, ye nananum kudiji ho ma ye no, esi wo no, ya fa ye ntoma pa na ye fura. Misra wo ba she. E bia na program ye asema ye kan ye no. E bia obi anyande ye srew. Fache ye nyina ye sua de. Said the be say ye man Ghana, e be fa ne ntoma papa e de fura. Ama ya kompempen so wo se yeko. Nti na ye ti ha ye program it say. Hwe efa wo hu efa me hu. Enkasa wo de emfa wo hu because e bubu na echia e be ba be kan. Abre bi asama meka. Me say contractor ni twa dan na aircon no twa road no. Aircon na nkan wo dan. Nti wo gina echira wo hwe wo so road way de etene. Bankasa road no kakra efa wasasi mu a ka wo be fu papa wo be ka se contractor we de eka ne kakra. Let's speak truth to power. Ghana eye me na wo ye dia. We can make Ghana what we want Ghana to be. We can change it. Say Ghana ye ma ye mami. Kai se wo hwe NQ TV. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Say TV biaba ye kan nokware. TV biaba ye pese ye kuro no e fa ne ntoma papa efra eye Ghana. TV ni di NQ TV. Na kai hunu say another one wo ho a ye friend TV me ochina 6 o'clock sharp e ma wura mfi eye minua be maslim. TV me say di ode bram ochina ne ehu okay mu asam kakra bakozem me yem sheme ochina don't miss it. Na wo fi ho a kai hunu say NQ TV yesu ye di jatuato ye di tuato sa we your friend is in 2 weeks ni mu me maba me dey na Kwame, the unpredictable one and one, the king of voice. I still remain the king of voice in Ghana. Your friend me Nana Kwame, the silkiest voice in Ghana. Me a friend me Joso. I salute you. Obi bi ohwe me bia me da wase. Me di nyankopon jam. Bye.
NQTV, NQTV, NQTV. Oh, I. NQTV, NQTV, NQTV. Oh, I. NQTV.
Simply the best.
NQTV, NQTV, NQTV. Oh, I. NQTV, NQTV, NQTV. Oh, I. NQTV.
Simply the best.
Nana Kwame, I never X. Na. Onemenam, minya, onemenam. I shall say no me ankonom. Ankonom my bro, minya baby na mafa. Aba, na mankomenam. Necessary no be doma. Oh no, but me chuyam. Oh nyamina, onemenam. Abrebe na sumi na chiman. Amiana minda. Say why am on this show? Say me me ribe. Eja nyami no kamo. Rinja ni the border. Ye ni the border. Hey me re. Eja nyami no. Rinja ni the border. Hey me nyami no. Eja nyami no. Rinja within the border. Hey, one in the border. Hey, me re. It's a namina. Brinja within the ball. Hey, me namina. It's a namino. Brinja within the border. Hey, one in the border. Hey, on the manam. Me yamina, Aba, on the manam. ya me da for no them them. Ay, on them them. Me ya me no them them. Baby, aba, on them them. I just na me yankunam. Ankuna maburawa, minya baby na mafa. Aba, na mankomenam. Na susana obi dama. Ono na bo me chudam. Onya me na ran no nemenam. Onemenam, no nemenam. Abra bese no su yine chine. I'm your name, Damenda. In the way I'm a dish, yo. In the rain, I'm a Major Yamino, come on. Maybe Janet in the border. In the border. Baby, yeah. Come on. Major Yamina. Maybe Janet Tito. Yamina. Major Yamina. Maybe Janet in the border. In the border. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Benja Yamina. Even Janet Tito. Hey. Benja Yamina. Benja Yamina. Even Janet in the border. In the border. Hey. On them now. Benja Yamina. Aba. On them now. Nyame there for on them now. On them now, Papa. Me ya me na them now. On them now. Me de ya. Oh come on. It's a me now. Bring down in the bowl. Hey, it's a me now. Me no. Hey, me rain.